In this video, we'll show you how to quickly and easily mate and unmate the fiber optic tails to fiber jumpers using the Q-ODC-12 connectors by HUBER+SUHNER.
On one end of the fiber optic cable assembly, you'll find the plug, and on the other end, the extension or the socket. Let's get started. To mate the connectors, begin by taking off the dust caps from both connectors. Remember to connect the dust caps together to keep them clean and free from contamination. Hold the plug in one hand and the socket or the extension in the other. Rotate and align the connectors until alignment mechanism is in place and you can push them together. To unmate the connectors, simply press your thumb and forefinger between the black rubber sleeve and the metal housing of the counterpart and pull back. Then pull apart the connectors. Don't forget to put the dust caps back on when you're done to keep everything clean.